Well, hey guys, Chuck House and Mopar. Welcome back. If you're new, welcome. And if you're not new, welcome back, like I just said. Anyway, my buddy Jeff called me. He's going to go down to Clayton Kossuth's Junkyard, Mopar Salvage yard. They don't call them junkyards anymore. I did a video on that a while back, and it's been watched a few times, but they have... He doesn't have a lot of forward look cars there, you know, the 55s and up, but he did have a 55 Savoy Belvedere, whatever it was, which happens to be a cousin of Thelma back there. So I'm gonna go down there. I could use a window crank, different things, and see what's going on. Now, I'm not sure, but I'm gonna go see what his trim looks like down there. This. And maybe he has something that's on there. I'm assuming these windows are the same for at least those 2 years. Anyway, he should be here pretty soon, and we'll make the hour-and-a-half trek in 90-degree weather in an unair-conditioned Dodge Dakota. It ought to be great. Here we go. Yeah, pretty cool eye candy, huh? Yeah. I did the video here once before. People see it. This is why I was going to ride down. This is 54 Belvedere or Savoy 1, I don't know which. And I wanted to come see what's what. I don't have a mirror. Not that I can see it. So I got that. And my door, my driver's glass is cracked here. That ain't moving. Yeah, it is a Belvedere. Extra gauges. Plymouth emblem. Not the worst smelling thing I've ever been in. Oh, there's a gauges there. Whatever. These controls on a Savoy are over there. And then the Belvedere gets an extra, gets an ammeter, oil pressure, different stuff. No idiot lights. Huh. That's still a cool steering wheel. Cool. Fortunately, I don't think there's anything I can use. Yep. Alright, there's an Imperial Chrysler. Yeah, Missouri in the summertime. It's supposed to be 100 today. It's awesome. to go look at the VIN. So that's the triple black. Quadruple black.
Aftermarket power windows. I think those are GM style switches, aren't they?
I got no idea. That's cool.
Oh yeah. Need to ask Drew if he wants it.
I think Drew's done buying cars.
Yeah. So 68 Charger.
Okay, because the transmission was fine.
Did he run it? Did Clay run this the other day or not?
He did.
How did he do it?
Converter, he did real good, but converter, they had to make some changes on the converter. It's not,
I
didn't
wondered how
have
to
enough
get it.
stall.
Oh,
They
really?
have to change things,
Yeah.
or it had too much, it was one of the two. I-
Too much.
Not enough for too much.
Leaving the light. Yep, it was too loose. Really? Leaving real hard, was it, eh?
This is a new motor right here in this one. Huh?
Yeah. Yep, that engine's all fresh.
Has he messed with the other one yet or not?
Got his red and white car. Yeah. He got as far as pulling the intake off of it. And if you look, we looked down inside the number one and number.
We're back. Yeah, we've been back 3 weeks. I have to be honest with you. Jeff called me. He was heading down there, and I said, "Okay, what the heck? Yeah, I go." It's an afternoon, and I thought, well, bring your camera along and go see. So in the beginning, I implied that I knew what I was looking for, and I didn't. I went down there to see what that 55 Belvedere looked like. Jeff is picking through, looking for some wires or some crap there in the beginning. He's really good friends with those guys, so they don't let you come in. Well, I don't know what they you tell them what you want. They'll tell you if they have it, and they'll pull it for you is how it works, which is kind of nice. They ship. So yeah, so that 55 Belvedere, that I'm certain that trim will work, you know, here. It's got, oh, what am I doing? Yeah, that trim will work here, all right? I get that trim, it's getting glued on, nothing's getting changed. If what will work will work. Now you may notice there's a big metal piece here on the Belvedere. It's missing on that car down at Kossuth, which sucks. But then I talked to Clay up there later while we were eating some barbecue, and he says, well, it's probably in the trunk. I'm like, oh crap. So I didn't go look, and now for 2 weeks or so, whatever it's been, I've been like, I wonder if that is down there. But I'll be back. I'm gonna need some stuff. Yeah, I didn't know what I didn't need, but Jeff was going and I wanted to go, but there was a door crank handle. You know, I'm missing that. This guy's missing his knob. I saw and when I was looking at the video, I saw the driver's in that car is on there. Yeah. yeah, you go drive all that way just to get a 50-cent piece or whatever. But anyway, well, that's all I got, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Still plugging away on different crap, just picking crap up around here. Got some crap cleaned up out here. Fixed my fence. I got my son married off. So anyway, yeah. That's all I got. Thanks for watching.